No longer just attending the special session, but now also jumping over the fence. The Senate Majority Bloc has finally secured the needed number to formally put into stone Senator Sherwin Gatchalian's leadership. In today's special session at the Senate, Senator Joel Villanueva showed up and also voted, along the other 12 members of the majority, in favor of Gatchalian as Senate President, with no minority senators present to contest the nomination. This makes Villanueva part of the new and decisive Majority Bloc, finally putting an end to the two-week leadership row. With Gatchalian as now Senate President, Senator Tito Sotto was elected as Senate President pro tempore. According to Senators Ping Lacson, Mig Zubiri, and Erwin Tulfo, no concessions were made or offered to Villanueva. Senator J.V. Ejercito, who spoke with Villanueva until last night, said Villanueva's joining the majority is more about love for the institution.
Ang talagang frustrated din po siya dahil sa pangyayari na hindi na tayo nakakatrabaho. Nakita niyo naman na kanina, ang dami niyang mga amendments na dinihis sa mga batas. That's why we thank Senator Joel.
I worked with them, as Deputy Majority Leader, and Senate President. So, we just kept lines open. Sa buong time na, wala nagkaroon ng takeover. Nang open lang kami. So, pag meron mga nais parating. Si Sen Cheese and Sen Joel, being former Senate President and former Majority Leader, siyempre, iba yung love niya for the institution kasi naglingkod sila as leaders. So, yun yung nakita ko. Kaya I think nakikita ko rin yung actuations sila during the mga session na parang hindi sila masaya na sa nangyayari.
Meanwhile, Villanueva, who left the Cayetano bloc, had this to say about his relationship with the minority.
Work.
We wanted to work. So that's what we've been doing. I mean, you have seen how I work today. I'm almost at the floor or at the podium most of the time. We're brothers at the end of the day.
Aside from its officers, the Senate also organized some of its committees, with Senator Ping Lacson added as the Blue Ribbon Committee's vice chairperson. Senator Erwin Tulfo will be serving as the chairman of the Committees on Social Justice and Energy. Senator Kiko Pangilinan is chairman of the Committee on Agriculture and Constitutional Amendments, Senator Joel Villanueva for the Committee on Higher Education and Labor, and Senator Raffy Tulfo for the Migrant Workers and Public Services Committee. Senator Tito Sotto will be chairing the Senate Ethics Committee, while Senator Lito Lapid the Games and Amusement Committee. Earlier, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano posted online that he holds no bitterness against Villanueva. He acknowledged that he would no longer pursue the Senate presidency.